everyone. Today we are discussing question number 1797 of LEED code titled as Design Authentication Manager. नाम से कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ भाई डिजाइन से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन है सिस्टम डिजाइन से। तो देखते हैं क्या है. There is an authentication system that works with authentication token. For each session, the user will receive a new authentication token that will expire time to live seconds after the current time. Okay, when the token is renewed, the expiry time will be extended to expire time to live seconds after the potential different current time. What question is saying? We have to generate a token that will expire after a time to live seconds after the current time, and token is generated on current time. Okay, this generate method, and here is one renew method which will renew every token by using token ID and at the current time, and the token will again expire at time to live seconds after the potential current time. And what is the implementation? What we have to implement in this class? Authentication class construct authentication manager and set time to live. मीन्स एक टोकन होगा, उस पर अपन को टाइम टू लाइव, उस टाइम टू लिव जितना टाइम दिया रहेगा उतनी देर तक वो लाइव रहेगा. उसमें ये ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है, रिन्यू करना है, जनरेट करना है. एक तो जनरेट अ न्यू टोकन विद द गिवन टोकन आईडी एट द गिवन करंट टाइम इन सेकंड्स. करंट टाइम जो दिया रहेगा उस टाइम पे वो जनरेट होगा. एट द टाइम after that, the time of renewal, renew the unexpired token. The token which is expired means at 5 seconds, and the current time is 7 seconds. The token with 5 seconds is expired, so we cannot renew that one. And if there is no unexpired token with the given token ID, the request is ignored and nothing happens. Okay, this must remember. And what is the third method? Count unexpired tokens in current time. In this, current time is given and you have to count the unexpired tokens. Okay, return the number of unexpired tokens at the given current time. So we just have to return the number of unexpired tokens. एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं तो यहाँ समझ में आ रहा है. हाँ, इस टाइम पे जनरेट हुआ at 2 seconds it was generated and it was go up to 7 seconds just because of time to live is 5 seconds. Therefore we'll start to generate this, and at the 7 it will go expire, and like this at the time of 10 we have to renew this next token BBB at the time 10, and it will again extend it for 5 seconds, from 10 seconds to 15 seconds. Okay, so इसे समझ में आ रहा है कि यार हम डिक्शनरी का यूज करके कर सकते हैं. In Python there is one data structure called as dictionary, in which we can store the key value pairs. Okay, in general we can call it as hash map. So I'm using one dictionary named as token is equals to text, and I'm initializing time. I'm taking one more variable, class variable at this time, and in that variable I am putting the value of time to live. Okay, I'm taking generate method. What generate? You have to generate the token. So what? You have to just create a token in this token with the given token ID. Okay, what we are doing? We are just providing the current time. Okay, renew means we have to renew the token if the token ID is present. So first we'll check the limit, taking the limit variable, in which I will see first that token ID is there or not. Token self dot time, current time. From current time I will subtract the time, means if the time is there or not. If the token ID in self dot token, then we have to check one more condition, that self dot token with token ID, the value of this token ID must be greater than the limit. If it is greater than limit, then we can renew the token with this token ID. So what we have to do? Time renewable, there's a token ID. We'll just update the time by current time. Okay, and the third method is count unexpired token. What we have to do? We have to check the unexpired token. Means first we'll see how many tokens are there under the limit. I'm getting one limit variable. From this I am subtracting current. From current time I am subtracting self dot time, which was an interval which we have created the time of object creation. I am creating one count variable, initializing it with 0 for I in range. I'm doing it for current time. No, I'm doing it for self dot tokens. If self dot token of I greater than, now we are creating our fourth method, that is count unexpired tokens. This method I am creating one variable limit to check the current, to check the unexpired tokens. Okay, so I created this limit that if the token is, if the time which every token have is greater than this limit, so the token is live. Okay, and we will do add that counter in this count variable. Okay, for I in self dot tokens, this will iterate the dictionary. Okay, if self dot token I is greater than limit, then we'll simply add 1 in count, update the value of count with 1, increase the value of count with 1, and simply return the value of count. Okay, and now we are done with the solution of this question. What we have done, we have simply generated the token with the current time, then we have renewed the unexpired token. If the value of token is less than this limit, then we are left untouched, and if it is greater than the limit, then we are simply updated with the current time. Okay, and then in the third method we had count unexpired tokens with the limit. Okay, and add on this counter variable. Now let's have a check. I'm running the code. Oh, it is working properly. Now let me submit the code and see the what is the final output. Yeah, it is working fine. As it is a design question, it might not require any more solution. Okay, then we are done with this question. Now I am jumping to the next question. Okay, I'll see you again in the next question. Up to then, bye bye. See you soon.